Hi all, this is Team 5 and this is our final project proposal. So for our final project for advanced data science, we are building a machine learning model with the web application hosted on that model on the Kaggle challenge Instacart Market Basket Analysis. So what this challenge is all about is that Instacart is an online grocery store, and what we are trying to predict is customers buy, how much they buy and what they buy. So there is going to be seasonal analysis of what stocks to keep, which will help them to improve their stocking capabilities and help them reduce the waste every year. So this is a Kaggle challenge, and this is our final project. As you can see, this is an overview. So the data that we have is a relational data set of files which describe customers' orders over time and has 3 million grocery orders from more than 200,000 users. So our goal is to study the orders over time to predict which previously purchased products will be in a user's next order, and also we predict how he would purchase the previous item again or also venture into buy a new product. So this will be also a sort of like a recommendation system. So the use cases for this is Instacart. The guys who are actually work at Instacart, so they will know what stock to keep on different time period, as well as the user who can have a better searching experience as well as a better recommendation system. So these are all the files in our datasets, aisles.csv, and we merge departments.csv, order products, orders and products, and we compile all them on the basis of the IDs, and then we do our data science thing. Also, this is the process outline. So the first step is going to be data processing. Then we'll do EDA. Then we'll do supervised approaches using like supervised algorithms. Then we'll do time series analysis and supervised approaches, and we'll deploy a model on either Azure or AWS, and then we are going to build a web application to demonstrate the use cases. So these are the milestones. In the first week, we'll try to get done with the time series analysis as well as the pre-processing and EDA. And in the upcoming weeks, in the next week, we'll try to do the training of the supervised algorithm and improve our time series analysis, as well as get in touch with the unsupervised. And then the next week, we'll complete the whole pipeline and build the model and deploy our application on AWS or Heroku. So these are the technologies that we'll be using. The language is going to be Python and Java. The pipeline for like building a pipeline, we'll be using Luigi. We'll also dockerize the whole pipeline so that anybody can come in without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. They can just use the pipeline as it is, and they can have the data, clean data, in their at their disposal. Also, we'll deploy the data on Amazon S3, and we'll provide a public link so that anybody can come in and download using that public link from the Amazon S3. And we'll deploy our machine learning models on Azure ML Studio, and via REST API call, we'll be using we'll build our website and call that model using that and get our predictions. So this is like a sample user interface that we might have, where we have like a web page, and we'll have a logo where we can see dashboards that we use, which will give you a glimpse of the EDA process that we did. Also, we'll have we can predict the item stock, as well as we can check the stocks of the item. This will help the Instacart executives to actually get a better understanding of what they need to buy and what not. So this is a sample dashboard. Yeah, these are following links. As you can see, like if you go on the Instacart Market Basket Analysis competition on Kaggle, it's still going on, and this is like a sample data set that you can see what are inside our data set. As you can see, aisle ID, aisle department ID, department, order products. So that is it. Thank you.